Students, this is next part 3 for class 8 civics, chapter 1st, the Indian constitutions. Students, as we had studied about the Indian constitutions and laws, now we will study about law and dissent. Dissent means you can say disagreement, means हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कुछ लॉज बनाए गए, रूल्स रेगुलेशंस बनाए गए. कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस ऐसे थे जिन पर पीपल डिसेंट थे, मीन्स उनका एग्रीमेंट नहीं था. As mentioned before, the Indian Constitution ensures that the framed laws do not conflict with the rights of the people. In case a law violates the freedom of the people, they can protest against it. अगर कोई ऐसा लॉ बनाया गया जो उनकी फ्रीडम को वायलेट करता था, तो पीपल क्या करते थे, उसके अगेंस्ट प्रोटेस्ट करते थे. अगेंस्ट प्रोटेस्ट मीन्स यू कैन से अपोजिशन, अपोज करते थे उस लॉ को. लेट्स take a look at a few examples that highlight how people showed their dissent or dissatisfaction towards certain laws or policies of the government. First, agitations against laws. The Salt Satyagraha of 1930. This is a dissent of people as the Salt सत्याग्रह ऑफ 1930. 1930 में एक सत्याग्रह नाम का आंदोलन हुआ था. उसमें पीपल्स ने अपनी डिसेंट दिखाई. In 1882, the British government constituted the Salt Act for the Indians. According to this act, Indians were prohibited from collecting or selling salt. This gave the British a monopoly over the manufacturing of salt. In addition, the British also charged a heavy salt tax. This angered Indians. 1882 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड सॉल्ट एक्ट फॉर इंडियंस के लिए एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूट बनाया, सॉल्ट एक्ट, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग जो इंडियंस थे वो सॉल्ट मीन्स नमक, सॉल्ट नहीं सेल कर सकते थे, नहीं कलेक्ट कर सकते थे, और उनको जो है ब्रिटिशर्स से वो सॉल्ट खरीदना पड़ता था, और जिस पे वो लोग हैवी टैक्स लेते थे. तो इस रूल को, इस लॉ को उन लोगों ने डिसेंट किया, जिनके अगेंस्ट उन लोगों ने एक कैंपेन किया, प्रोटेस्ट चलाया, जिसका नेम था सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, Indians protested against this act. Gandhiji organized a non-violent protest called the Salt Satyagrah. On March 12, 1930, Gandhiji started the march from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi. In this satyagraha, a large number of people joined Gandhiji along with his followers. They reached Dandi on April 6, 1930. In Dandi, they took a handful of salt from the shore and broke the law by making salt. This incident was the beginning of the civil disobedience movement in India. The next agitations against laws was the anti-liquor campaign. Dabgunta Rozma led the famous anti-liquor movement in the Nellore district of United Andhra Pradesh. In 1992, 2 literacy program employees were abused by drunken men. Angered by this incident, Rozma launched the fight against the consumption of arq. In Andhra Pradesh, poor men used to consume a low-cost local liquor called arq. This affected their physical and mental well-being. Some of them even misbehaved with their women folk and spent a major chunk of their income of arq. Fed up with this suffering, the women attacked these liquor shops and forced them to shut down. एंटी लिक्वर कैंपेन जो है वो आंध्र प्रदेश के नेल्लोर में हुआ था। वहाँ पे अर्क नाम का एक लिक्वर था जिसको पीकर जो पुअर पीपल थे वो मिसबिहेव करते थे, तो इसलिए उनकी वुमेन फोक ने उसकी लिक्वर अर्क की जो शॉप थी उस पर अटैक कर दिया और एक कैंपेन चलाया गया जिसका नाम था एंटी लिक्वर कैंपेन 1992 में। After this, finally, Ark was banned on October 1st, 1993. Thanks for watching this video.